Hi, this is Kumar. So, in front of you, natural gas futures CFD daily data chart. Would like to discuss about the weekend comments. So that before that, the last week what we discussed about that the gap down opening. So the Monday gaps especially. So that was to be that is actually the Friday was closed and the last week in the sense that I mean to be that third 29th was closed at about $3.363. So what we expected, that is the gap down probability, so that was to be that range of 3.15 range is approximately. So that was to be last week video is existing, so that will be attached in iCard, and also I would like to provide the link in description also. So this is a candle, so this is actually the Friday closing candle, and the Monday, this is the candle of Monday. So this was to be open at about 3.22 and the least was seen at about 3.148. So that was the closing price is at about 3.213 that day. So that is the matter. So what we discussed, the gap down probability, so the range what we discussed, the same happened. So what the next, that is day after tomorrow, the Monday, that is the 9th of December, is it not? So that was to be that we supposed to be discussed. So that right now, so I would like to conclude within a minute. So that was, please mind that here that what I provided in front of your daily data chart. So the projections, how the probability, so that I told that the so the lower lows, lower highs formation. So that was the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yesterday also that was to be seen at the I mean to be the downside seen, and to be that again. So the on closing basis, the upside closing was what we seen. So that also to be at about 3.106 actually, that cash price settlement is about 3.077. So that was the closing price here what we are happening appearing. So overall that last week after Monday and Tuesday down, so that was to be sideways observation was seen, some reciprocal. So but that was also maximum is about 3.155 after touching of 2.977. This is about the past, so the last week, and now the to be the coming week. So that is on Monday and next the probability. So overall this is the to be the as per the data availability, there is no to be the money makers any big plans to be either side. So that was to be that keen of observation is existing. So please mind that is the mindset, and the only the technical or otherwise to be the on the basis of regular observation only we are providing so that information, the probability. So come to the point about the again this Monday also I am expecting especially so downside more than that any gap up. So that is the matter. So that whatever the gap up also I would supposed to be, I already provided here, this is the line of black line Monday gaps here, that what noted here, that about that my observation, even the last week video also I told that my first observation is 2.931 the price supposed to be think over. So that was to be that keen of observation support that last week. So that was that time we seen at about the 2.977. So now that also until unless the crossover of this one, I can't be immediately to say any upside downside furthermore, that is a matter. So that I provided here that in a big way of observation the 2.93, and also that opening is depends. So that is I think expecting on Monday is to be that below $3 is the probability is more than any green. So that is a matter, and also that on the basis of only the you can imagination, the probability is to be 2.953 the support, otherwise 2.881. So that is the 2, and that our observation of 2.931 the open, this is the closed basis. So that is a closed in the sense that is the keen of observations three levels. So this is a Monday gaps observation of my end, and the I supposed to be discuss about the gap up also, so because the who, so to be the believing in upside, that is very hard to say that is a upside. So and also the until unless the 3.155 that to be that is a keen of observation, the any gap up of 3.11155. So that to be above is to be, I don't think so to be any big rally so existing. That is a matter because of the negative inventory. I am not saying that is on the basis of a negative inventory, but the storage is much more high at the maximum and also demand in coming months, the demand I don't think so much more. So until unless the any big events of global, so I mean political global scenario, so that also to be, I don't think so any existing, that all things altogether the some correction is existing, the lower lows lower rise formation is in front of us, but there is no build up path for money makers. That is a please mind, that is the how that we handle the situation. So profit booking is always necessary to any levels observation. That is a my matter. So that is a please mind that this is the Monday, especially on 9th of December, we are expecting the gap down probability. So we will see on Monday the how the probability until unless the 2.93 cutoff point to be close any, then it is to be think over the next level. That also I provided here. So if you see, this is a 3 levels of I provided here, that one is that about 2.931 and the next is the 2.703. So and that is the next is that to be 2.41, that observation. I'm not saying to be saying that it will become so immediately, but please mind that the levels what I provided here, the top level, so what I already discussed about 3.63, that is a keen of observation. So that is too far away to think. So that is over the last week, because that time is about 3. That time is the closing is about 3.43, that one. So that is on Friday, that last week. So that was to be last week, and this week is the Friday closing at about 3.076, but actual closing was to be 3.103. 106, that is the matter. So the gap up, gap down, the probability is more, at least at $10, 10 cents the probability is I'm expecting, and to be that levels, this to be key enough observation. So good luck.